Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to permanently delete your TradingView account, maybe because you're switching platforms or just tidying up your digital presence, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through the entire process. You'll finish this video knowing exactly how to delete your TradingView account for good, and you'll also understand each part of the process so you don't miss anything important. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to head over to your TradingView profile, so make sure you're logged in. If you aren't already, go ahead and sign in with your usual email and password. Up in the top right corner of the page, you'll see your profile icon. Click on that. This is essentially your command center for everything related to your TradingView account. Think of it like the front door to your online house. Next, from the drop-down menu, look for an option called either Settings or Settings and Billing. It can feel a little hidden in all the different options, so just take a moment to scan through. It's really important to go through the settings here, because that's where TradingView stores all of your preferences, subscription details, and most importantly for us, the option to delete your account. Give it a moment to load. Sometimes the website can be a little bit slow depending on your internet connection. Once you're inside your settings, look specifically for something labeled Account Settings. It may be in a sidebar or as a tab along the top, but it's usually pretty clearly marked. TradingView separates billing from account preferences, so make sure you're in the right section. Why is it important? Because the account settings area is like the engine room for your profile. It controls the core of your account, including privacy and, yes, deletion. Now scroll all the way down the page. Don't be discouraged if you don't see a delete option right away. Sometimes companies place this feature at the very bottom, almost like it's hiding under the rug. Just take your time and keep scrolling. Eventually, you'll see a section marked Account Deletion or something very similar. If you're worried about accidentally deleting your account too soon, don't be. TradingView usually provides a little warning and asks you to confirm before anything is final. When you find the Delete Account button, go ahead and click it. At this point, TradingView might ask you to enter your password again, just as an extra security check to make sure it's really you taking this step. They may also prompt you with a few quick questions about why you're leaving. That's totally normal, and you can answer honestly or skip it if you prefer. Remember, deletion is permanent, which means all your saved charts, alerts, and watch lists will disappear for good. That's why I always recommend you double-check that you've saved any important data before you say goodbye. So, once you've confirmed and gone through any final prompts, your TradingView account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. That's it. The process is simple, but it's always a good idea to move carefully and make sure you're all set before clicking that final button. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit the like button. It really supports the channel. And if you have any questions or if you ran into any unexpected steps, just drop a comment below. I'm always around to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.